Hello guys, today we are going to discuss magic methods in Python. So in Python, magic methods start with the underscore underscore and ends with underscore underscore, and they perform some uh, rich comparisons between A and B and some operations between A and B, mathematical operations. So let's discuss these magic methods in Python. So first magic method is underscore underscore lt underscore underscore, which performs less than equals to less than actually only less than if a is less than b. Then we have underscore underscore le underscore underscore, which performs less than equals to. Then we have underscore underscore eq underscore underscore, which performs equals to operation between a and b. And then we have underscore underscore ne underscore underscore, which perform not equals to operation between a and b. Then we have underscore underscore ge underscore underscore, which is greater than if a is greater than b or not. Then we have underscore underscore gt underscore underscore, which perform greater than uh, a greater than b. So these perform rich comparisons between a and b, specifically lt ab is equivalent to a less than b, le a comma b is equivalent to a less than equals to b, eq a comma b is equivalent to a equals to b, and e a comma b is equivalent to a not equals to b, gt a comma b is equivalent to a greater than b, and ge a comma b is equivalent to a greater than equal to b. So note that these functions can return any value, which may or may not be interpretable as a Boolean value. Now we have logical operations. These are also generally applicable to all objects and support truth test, identity test, and Boolean operations. We have underscore underscore not underscore underscore. We have is underscore. We have underscore underscore abs underscore underscore, which return the absolute value of object. We have underscore underscore add underscore underscore. It returns a plus b for a and b. We have underscore underscore and underscore underscore. It returns the bitwise and of a and b. We have underscore underscore floor div underscore underscore. It return a double slash b. We have underscore underscore index underscore underscore. It return a converted to an integer. So these are all the magic methods in Python. There are actually a lot of magic methods. We have invert, L shift, mod, mul, which is multiply, matmul returns a at the rate b, negative neg returns negative of object, position, power, pow, r shift, subtraction is like underscore underscore sub underscore underscore. So these are a lot of magic methods in Python, and these magic methods are commonly asked in the interview questions. So it's good to learn these concepts and learn these information. I will provide a link to this information in the description of the video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So I will be providing the link to this video, to this document as well. Thank you and have a nice day.